Hi everyone. Let's explore 7 practical ways to foster meaningful connections among adult learners in hybrid classes. Hybrid learning environments offer unique opportunities for student interaction, but intentional design is key. In this video, we'll look at strategies that encourage collaboration, build community, and enhance peer-to-peer engagement in both online and in-person settings. 7 ways to increase adult student-to-student interaction in hybrid classes. Number 1. Design hybrid-specific group tasks. Create projects or assignments that require both in-person and online collaboration for completion. This necessitates interaction across modalities. Number 2. Utilize online discussion forums strategically. Pose questions that encourage students to build upon each other's ideas and share diverse perspectives outside of class time. Number 3. Implement in-class, think, pair, share activities. Adapt this classic strategy for the hybrid format. Students can initially discuss online and then share key insights with in-person partners. Number 4. Establish online peer review activities. Facilitate constructive feedback on assignments through online platforms. This allows students to learn from and support each other's work. Number 5. Create small, consistent learning communities. Assign students to smaller groups that work together on various tasks throughout the course, fostering stronger relationships. Number 6. Incorporate icebreakers and community building activities, both online and in person. Dedicate short segments to activities that help students get to know each other and build rapport in both learning environments. Number 7. Leverage collaborative online tools. Introduce platforms that allow for shared document creation, brainstorming, or project development. This provides spaces for synchronous and asynchronous teamwork. Thoughtful integration of these strategies can significantly enhance student-to-student interaction in your hybrid classes. Stronger connections foster a more supportive and engaging learning community for all.